What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Mobile Detailing Edmonton. My name is Lance. It's your first time watching. Thank you for watching. Today is going to be nothing about detailing, fair warning. It's all going to be about after I put in my long hours of detailing and doing things that I love, I'm passionate about. We are going to be able to relax in my basement. And this is all about my viewers. It's all about me. I need help. I'm hoping you'll give me some input on what to do. I'll give you a walkthrough of the basement. I'll show you what we have done, and I'll show you some of my questions, and I want to put it out to you, the viewers of YouTube, and see if you guys can give me any pointers on how to make the ultimate man cave. Okay, so far we had a giant wall here. This wall separated the basement from the stairs. I hated that. So what I've done so far is I've built this knockout, and then I'm going to put a 4-inch piece of wood here to make a ledge, so that way we can put our handrail to match the upstairs. We're going to do carpet down on the floor. That's going to be the shower section. So we got some questions about the shower section. Do we go with in-floor heating, even though we already have dry core subfloor down, or do we just put tile down because we do have dry core subfloor and know that it's going to actually keep our feet warm? Second thing is, everywhere in my basement, this is a giant closet, by the way, so that we can put our Christmas ornaments and Halloween ornaments and everything else. We're going to hide it in here. But do we do custom LED thin dimmable lights, which is I think what we're planning on doing right now? Or do we do some kind of LED lights everywhere? I like the thin LEDs. They're discs. They're like 4 inches round. They're awesome. Right here I'm thinking of putting a bar. Here I'm thinking of putting a shelf. It's not really so much a shelf as it is floating hands, so to speak, and it's going to be wine bottle, wine bottle, wine bottle, wine bottle, wine bottle. And up here, basically tequila for days. And a section for my wife's drinks. So it's going to be pretty awesome. In here, though, we are doing, as you can see, rock solid soundproofing insulation everywhere. Taking that stuff out and putting in the good stuff. But I've got these set up for the lights. Still trying to decide on which lights, like I was saying. But right here is going to be where the let's see if we can do it, projector screen goes. So projector there. We got 13 feet, 9 inches from here to here. So I'm thinking 120-inch screen. So here comes another question. Do we do the paintable screen? Do we do a black screen? Or we do a standard projector screen? And if so, which one? That's where I'm having trouble with the projector style. Then also the next problem is, do we do speakers in the wall, right here, maybe up there, down here, and then speaker up there, speaker up there? There's not a lot of room for speakers here. So yeah, we got lots of things going on. And here's a bedroom. We're going to do barn style rolling doors, 3 doors or 4 doors, to where it hits, goes, hits, goes, hits, goes, and then closes, and it's just a giant closet back there. And this is the guest bedroom for when family comes and visits, or when buddies have too much to drink, they're going to hang out here. So let's get back to this question. Projector screen. Now, I've already ordered a 4K projector, Optima, and I plan on placing it there, which is basically center screen of 120 inches. Now, I know with the Optima, they say that you can move the screen from side to side, up and down, or you can traverse it left and right. I'm not a projector guy, I don't know. So again, I'm hoping I made the right purchase. Comments below if I did or didn't. I'll put something up in the top corner right now to show you guys which model I got, and you let me know what you think. You let me know if I made a good choice. Now, the screen question. I bought because there was one YouTuber, and again, let's pop up his channel right here. He was talking about how you can do a paintable projector screen with bare paint from Home Depot. It's a 3-part process. The formula is actually on his channel. If you guys want to see it, I'll put it in the comments below as well, the mix, so that way you know what to get and how much to mix. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna put it up on the drywall first, and then I'm gonna get a piece of screen and we're gonna set it there, and then I'm gonna get another sample of screen, the black screen, and put it up. And I wanna see which one's actually gonna be the best. One last little thing about the projector screen I was thinking about doing. So I've got standard 2x4. I'm gonna take the 2x4 and I'm gonna put one and bury it 1.5 inches deep inside here. Once I do that, I'm gonna take another piece of 2x4 and bump it out and sit it flush on top of that, so that way I have 1.5 inches hidden behind. Because I was gonna go and look at buying those LED color strips to give a super cool effect around my fixed projector screen of a glow of ambient color, so that way when you walk down here and the lights are dimmed and it's all looking so sick, you got that backlit so it feels like a true theater style. So that's the back of the projector and the fixed projector thoughts that I was thinking about doing. So again, more questions. I've seen people do the 1x6, I've seen people do the 1x4, I've seen people do the 2x4 and 2x6. I don't know, what do you guys think is best? And then lastly, when it comes to the home theater system, my thoughts and my questions are, I was thinking about doing the Bose Acoustimass 10, and then having them set in here, there, and then the center channel speaker here. So, and then I'm going to have everything hidden in my mechanical room, which is going to be soundproofed in on a shelf. So I was thinking about the Bose Acoustimass, like I said, or I was thinking about doing the Polk Audio RC85Is, or something to do with an in-wall speaker. So I could really use some help there as well. If you have any comments, let me know. Again, we're going to make this the ultimate man cave for sports, for theaters, for just basically viewing. But we want to do it on a budget. I am not rich, so I'm doing this on a extremely thin budget, and so far I've been super fortunate to get everything at an awesome deal. I've been kind of collecting stuff as I go. So yeah, that's that. Okay, everybody, well, that's it. If you want to keep up with what's going on and follow us and figure out what's going on with the cave and see what actually we do and which opinions we take and which things that we implement, follow us. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, hit the like. Let us know again what your thoughts are, because I'm going to take mostly what you guys say and try to implement it in here to make the ultimate place to relax. Thanks again.